This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a 5-spice pork belly stir fry. Here is 400 grams of pork belly. I've cut them up into about 2 cm thick pieces. To marinate the pork, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder onto the pork. But before you do that, give your 5-spice powder a little sniff. It should smell fragrant and pretty strong. If it does not, do one of two things. 1. Throw it away and get new 5-spice powder. Or 2. Get a COVID-19 test done. Either way, the 5-spice powder should be pretty strong and smell great. Sprinkle this onto the pork and give it a good mix to coat every piece of the pork belly. Then add in 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Give this a good mix and coat every piece of the pork belly as well. This cornflour will give the pork belly a golden crispy crust. Next, prepare the aromatics. Roughly chop up 2 cloves of garlic and 3 slices of ginger. Separate the white and green parts of some spring onions. Cut the green parts into about 3 inches in length. Now for the sauce. Into 120 grams of water, add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Two teaspoons of dark soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir this well to dissolve the sugar. In a pan over medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add in the pork belly. Spread the pork belly out in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Leave it there for about a minute to brown the bottom side. When the bottom is brown, flip the pork belly over and brown the other side as well. When both sides are golden brown, push the pork belly aside. Now, add a little more oil if necessary. Add in the roughly chopped garlic, the slices of ginger, and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry these till they are fragrant. It should take you about 30 seconds. Next, pour in the sauce. Let this sauce come to a boil and lower the heat to a simmer. Cover the pork belly and let the sauce cook down till it's reduced and the sauce has thickened. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. When the sauce has thickened, Turn off the heat and stir in the green parts of the spring onions. Also add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Taste and adjust for seasoning. And we are done. This is stir fry 5 spice pork belly.